Shyam Benegal has loved the film. Does it somewhere embolden you?
Well, yes. I mean, he's a doyen. I mean, and one of the most respected filmmakers. So if he's seen the film and he has two good words to say about it, I'm humbled and terribly happy about it.
You never come across like a producer the way Anurag Kashyap has backed you completely. I think it's a rarity. It seems like a movie. Movie में इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब दिलेरी या फिर heroism होता है जिस तरीके से उन्होंने शो किया. Do you feel happy that you've had a producer who's backed selflessly? उनकी खुद की फिल्म अगले हफ्ते आने वाली.
Ekdam. I mean, there's no other way of looking at it. In fact, I lost faith once. There was a moment when I lost faith. I said, let it be. But he was the one who said no. We are going to stand up for this, and you're going to be the biggest idiot on earth if you're not going to defend your film. So let me take the fight to them, and then we will talk about it. And he did that. I mean, he spent an entire day, 10 days away from the release of his own film, 15 days away from the release of his own film. He spent one entire day just giving interviews to the media because he believed, and he told this to me in so many words, that we've made an honest film. We have nothing to fear. Yeah, and that was that encouragement, and I really love him for what he did.
From the promos we see that I think Kareena is looking outstanding as well. Whenever she comes into it, in terms of that what people say no makeup look and performance oriented stuff, she's a dynamite somewhere. What can people expect from Kareena?
Oh, it's a terrific performance. It's a terrific performance, and she's a very unique character in the landscape of the film because she's completely pure, and she is a good Samaritan, and she's doing all that she's doing in the film, she's doing it for no reason. And she is the only character who knows how bad this thing is. She knows the real crux of the problem. So she comes across as this very simple woman, no makeup look and all that has been discussed. But she's actually a firebrand in the film, who's going out and doing it for completely selfless motives,
Last question. Do you as a citizen of the country, or maybe like as a rational and sensible citizen of the country, does it at times bother you that अगर आप जो हैं if you're pointing out at a certain ailment, a certain problem in a country or in a state or wherever, आपको foreign के हिसाब से आपको name calling हो जाता है, and you just say that you're somewhere abusing or you're just defaming a state or whatever. कहीं ना कहीं एक self introspection होना या जो भी चीज़ें हैं. Do you find it bothering that in a society that अगर आप किसी चीज़ से मोहब्बत करते हैं तभी आप उसको बेहतर आप बनाना चाहेंगे, हर वक्त आप शुगर कोट नहीं कर सकते?
जी, एकदम आपकी बात एकदम सही है because this is born out of a lot of love for people. We make movies about a problem because we are concerned about it. We are responsible citizens. This view of Bollywood that we are these party animals just partying around all the time is not true. We work very hard to do what we have to do. And if we go out there and take such significant commercial risks by making a film about a subject matter, whereas most people like to watch 2.5 hours of entertaining cinema, song and dance and jokes and go home, to make that attempt to do something like that requires a lot from us. And there is absolutely no malified intentions behind what we are doing.
Absolutely.
It's done out of love and concern, and to be called names and to be called defaming, I think the problem is of semantics. If we try to critique somebody, it's called defamation.
Exactly.
And that's not true, As a citizen of this country,
deliberate
misinformation. Again, and I think everything in this country, every debate in this country, regardless of what it is about, whether it's cinema or not or something else, is immediately made political.
Absolutely.
It's not even political, it's made about political parties, and that's really unfortunate. I think we should grow up and not indulge in these kind of,
Thank you very much, Abhishek Chaubey. More power to you. Thanks a lot.